Hi, my name is Deb Mueller and I'm a trauma surgeon in San Antonio, Texas. I'm interested in the Homeward Bound program because I love nature and the outdoors and I want to do what I can to ensure we preserve it. I grew up outside, camping, hiking, water skiing. My dad was in the U.S. military and every 2 to 3 years we would have to move. He made sure every time we moved we did a road trip to get there, learning to appreciate the beauty and diversity in our country. Once I started medical school and then on to surgery training, I had very little time to devote to these kinds of activities. But as soon as I finished, I got involved with global engagement with the United States Air Force. One of the most interesting places I've traveled is Easter Island, Chile. This past March, I read an article about the erosion that's occurring there due to rising ocean levels and climate change. This made climate change much more of an immediate issue to me, as I could picture those iconic Moai statues potentially toppling into the ocean. I'm also interested in the leadership development part of Homeward Bound. I've taken on a lot of leadership roles in my career, but I've had very little formal education in leadership. Then I had 2 daughters, and I decided to work part-time. So my ascent in my career field stagnated. Now I'm ready to re-engage and I'm interested to see what I could do. I'm not sure if that will be professionally, in the community, or perhaps even in the world at large with a program such as Homeward Bound. At my job, I lead the team that takes care of patients injured after various types of trauma. I've had some miraculous saves over my career, but I'm also there when patients die. It's a very difficult, challenging, yet rewarding job. Whose better life to try and save than that of Mother Earth? And who better to do it with than an organized, energetic group of women? That's why I think Homeward Bound is for me.